Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a dinnerware set from Kitchen Academy store. It includes 12 pieces, it serves 4 persons. It comes with 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates and 4 bowls. Besides that, it's very nicely designed, provided with absolutely beautiful and eye-catching appearance. It also handcrafted and hand-painted. Besides that, it's well made out of high-quality ceramic. It's durable, long-lasting, and additionally, it's microwave and dishwasher safe for the maximum convenience. This set is very nice. I like the quality. It looks beautiful, and it's a perfect choice for daily use or special occasions. And it also comes in different colors, so you can choose the one you prefer the best. I like this product very much and I will highly recommend it to you.